Hey, how's it going? This is Nick with Daisyopals. Welcome to the channel. I have a very chill episode for you today. We're just going to cut a big old piece of lightning ridge. It's kind of sandy, but we'll see what we can get out of it. Quick announcement. I will be moving to one video a week. So far I've been doing one every other Friday, and I think I finally got the process down and I'm ready to move it to every Friday. So now's a great time to subscribe. Every Friday there's going to be a relaxing video for your weekend. Some will be opal cutting, really simple like this video. Some will be funny, crazy stuff. We'll see what happens. Just hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. It's right there, right? It's right down there. Anyway, hit the subscribe button and yeah, weekly videos. Let's do it. Let's get it. Hello everybody, thank you for returning to my channel or coming for the first time. Really relaxed video today. Cutting an old stone that I had laying around. I was supposed to get a really cool stone in the mail, but the US Postal Service kind of messed it up, so we'll see what we get out of this one. I think this is going to be the back here. Looks pretty sandy, but there is some very rich blue color in there, and I'd be really excited if something nice came from this stone, so we'll see. Also, I really appreciate all the comments, guys. I read all the comments. Any suggestions on how to make these videos better are much appreciated. I'm having fun, but I also want you to really enjoy yourself and be able to relax. You know, put this on before bed. Chill out. Wear headphones. The music is nice. I'm going to start off here on the 280 wheel just by removing stuff that I know I'm not going to use. This thing jutting out of the top. What I perceive to be the top, anyways. And I'm going to start going around the sides, seeing if I can get a peak of color beyond the sand. And there is. You can see it starting to appear. So I'll just start trying to make this shape. But I can't only make the shape here because this is a sandy, unpredictable mess of a stone. And there could be some pocket of color somewhere that's sort of lopsided. So you'll see I'm going to start kind of taking down the top too. Trying to get a read on the situation in there. But more than likely, this is going to turn out as a stone that has sand in it. And it will look very beautiful anyways. It won't be fully flush color. And you can see it's starting to take shape there. There's definitely a bottom and a top now. And some color is starting to show through on the top. There's that ravine on the top there, but lots of room to take down the top and make that ravine disappear. Still lots of sand on the face. Also working on the bottom. Kind of all over the place with this one. It's not a predictable stone. I already said that. You already heard that. Just reiterating. At this point you can clearly see the stone has taken shape. You can see the top, you can see the bottom, and you can see on the left there, that's before. The ravine on the top is much deeper, and on the new one it's much flatter on the top and much more shaped like an opal. It's important for me to reference these videos. I do this even when I'm not making a YouTube video. See what kind of progress you're making. This stone is very similar to another one that came from the same batch of rough there on the left, which also turned out like a stone that has sand in it. You know, you can't really try to pull pure gem out of that. You're going to drive yourself crazy and you're going to waste a lot of opal. So that's what this is. That's what I'm aiming for, a giant oval. I'm not going to try to pick this thing apart and get a perfect gemstone out of it. I just want to get something very, very beautiful, and I did. Wait till the end, you'll see. Starting to do the edges, it's another way to kind of bring down the top, peek what's inside. Less consequence than just rubbing down the top super fast, which I seem to be doing anyways, but here we go, flattening the back. You can see it's kind of bulbous. Needs to be flat if I want to set it into some jewelry, which I think I will. Hopefully, if it turns out right. I don't know why I'm pretending like I don't know how it turns out. Obviously, I recorded this, afterwards. But I guess I'll just, leave you in suspense. I guess that's why I do that. I don't know. Got to get the top parallel with the bottom. That's what you see me doing here, noticing that the top is a little bit lopsided. Looking pretty good. I want to see if I can take down the top and see if more color will show through this sand. That's kind of what I'm thinking at this point. Still a lot of room to come down. See the divot there is smaller, but I'm going to keep going. Not much to lose here. I can also see cracks kind of on the inside of the stone. I didn't do it, but you'll see those soon. There you can start to see those cracks. That's a pretty, I would say it was a pretty big letdown, but it's still a very beautiful stone, and it's so big. It's so nice to cut something so large. I'm just going to pretend like the cracks aren't there and make the stone that I was envisioning from the beginning. Onto the 600 wheel, rounding it, making sure the sides are evenly rounded so that if I bezel it, if I wrap the stone in silver, the silver will all come up to the same height. It won't look lopsided. That's what I'm doing right now. I forgot to put on the water cover. I don't know if you saw that, but I was soaking wet. That's when I realized I forgot to put on the water shield. Onto the 1200 wheel, really getting it super smooth, and then 3000 for the polish. Not the final polish, but before you see this stone done, a quick advertisement for my shop. Go to Google, type in Daisyopals. It'll be the first thing that pops up. Click it. Lots of good stuff, rings, stones. Working on my silver work. Next week there will be a bunch of stones, and you can kind of choose your stone and then get a custom size ring. I got a couple different sizes here. Anyway, here's the stone. Without further ado, pretty nice. I don't know if I'll sell it. Might have to give this one away or sell it at a huge discount because of those cracks, but still a very beautiful piece. Have a closer look. There's even some pattern in there. Let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, Felix the Opal cat. He's enjoying the stone. Here's another really cool thing I did. I saw this Ethiopian Walo opal from Ethiopia on a random Instagram advertisement. They were selling these huge fist-sized stones for like 25 bucks. So of course, me being a business genius, I got one. And it came in the mail with some Chinese writing on it, which I didn't realize they spoke Chinese in Ethiopia, but I've never been there, so here it is. You can see gorgeous natural. You can see how it's natural because there's so many colors, and this shape here is, you can see how it formed in some sediment. So that's cool. I'm an idiot. I'm just kidding. In case you don't know, that was fake opal. I got ripped off. But I had to try it. I don't know, I get excited, you know? Anyway, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much.